Hey everyone, today I'm back with another new video which will be helpful to all of you. So if you like my work, please like my videos, subscribe my channel. That's why it motivates to me that I can make more and more videos about learning English. So, today's lesson is daily activities. If you don't know about common vocabulary, common sentences, so these words, these sentences we will discuss in this video. So, let's start. First one is to dust the furniture. To dust the furniture. To vacuum the floor. To vacuum the floor. To mop the floor. To clean windows. To clean windows. To do the laundry. To do the laundry. To iron clothes. To iron clothes. To fold clothes. To fold clothes. To wash the dishes. To wash the dishes. To bake. To cook. To feed the cat. To walk the dog. To shop for groceries. To pay the bills. To take out the rubbish. To take out the rubbish. To water the plants. To water the plants. To mow the lawn. Go to bed. Wake up. Wash your face. Brush your hair. Dry your hair. Brush your teeth. Take a bath. Go to school. Drive to work. I get up at 7 o'clock. Okay, I get up at 7 o'clock. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. I go home at 5 o'clock. I have dinner at 6 o'clock. I have a shower at 8:30. I go to bed at 9. I go to school at 12:30. I have lessons at 3:30. Go to school at 8 o'clock. I get up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast at 7:15. I go to bed at 10:30. I come home at 2:45. I eat dinner at 9 o'clock. I wake up, you can say I get up or wake up. I get dressed. I have breakfast or I eat breakfast. I have a shower. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I go to college or school. I study. I have lunch or I eat lunch. I do my homework. I meet my friends. I go home. I have dinner, or you can say I eat dinner. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to bed, or you can say I go to sleep. All right.